When it comes to deciding what to serve or bring to someone's house for the big game, there are certain must-haves. So let me share with you a must-have where we've added a twist that is very welcome. It's buffalo wings, but not just any buffalo wings. Ours are marinated in beer. So what does beer do? First, the acid in it adds a subtle depth to the overall flavor. On top of that, the yeast acts as a natural tenderizer, which makes our wings practically melt in our mouth. And like that isn't enough, the malt in the beer adds a touch of sweetness. After these marinade, we drain them before seasoning with some garlic powder and a little salt and pepper. Then into the oven they go. Once they're crispy, we coat them with a combo of cayenne pepper sauce, melted butter, and a splash of beer. So this year, while everyone's chowing down on these and can't quite put their finger on why these are the best wings they've ever tasted, it's up to you if you want to reveal our secret ingredient. To get the recipe for our beer-soaked buffalo wings, along with lots of other game day favorites, check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an all-star winning way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hot.